IELTS exam conducted by IDP in India is delivered in two formats, IELTS Academic Training and IELTS General Training. You know that the IELTS test dates for both formats are different, but the booking process for the exam in both formats is the same and it is done online. You must complete your online booking for the IELTS exam based on the test date. Here is the step-by-step process. Visit the official website of IELTS, create a profile and log into your account. Select the option Register for Test. Choose your option between computer delivered or paper based. Select your test type, IELTS Academic or IELTS General Training. Choose your preferred IELTS test center, exam date and exam slot. Upload a scanned color copy of your passport. Pay the required IELTS test fee. Check your mail confirming your IELTS test booking. Keep the mail for future reference. For more details, check the description box below.